Hey, Smath here. Good to do another type of formula stoichiometry. We said earlier, there's percent composition and there's formula determination. So we're going to do an empirical formula determination. Now, an empirical formula is simply the simplest whole number ratio of elements in a compound. That ratio, those are going to be the number of moles of each substance. So when we say that H2O is a formula, we have 2 moles of H for every 1 mole of oxygen. And we can determine this by knowing our masses and our moles. So let's look at our question. It says determine the empirical formula for a compound containing 911 grams of nickel and 5.89 grams of fluorine. So I'm just going to do 3 easy steps. Convert it to moles, divide by the smallest number of moles, and write the formula in the order in which the elements are given. So 911 grams of nickel, 59 grams of nickel per mole. That's the molar mass off the periodic table, nothing fancy. That gives me 0.154 moles of nickel. Now I come back and I find that 5.89 grams of fluorine, 19 grams per mole, that's my molar mass. Divide that out, I get 0.31 moles of fluorine. Now, I divide by the smallest number here, and I've got to be a little bit flexible, but if I divide 154 by 154, that gives me a 1 to something ratio. And then 0.31 and 154 is going to be very, very, very close. 1.99, 1.97, it's going to be very close to 2. So my formula is Ni1F2, and that's how I write it over here. Nickel 2 fluoride. That's all I have to do. Convert it to moles, divide by the smallest number of moles, and write the formula in the order that they're given. I'm Smath. I hope this video helped.